different plans he had for the state, different institutes he wanted to bring up, different development schemes that he wanted to bring to Meghalaya. And for almost about 30 minutes to 45 minutes we discussed about the overall future of our state without going into politics. And that was the last meeting and conversation I had with Dr. Syngkon. And right after that, about 2 weeks back, then today in the evening, while I was preparing for the budget, which I was supposed to be presenting tomorrow, I was preparing for the budget and I got the news that there was a small incident where late Dr. Syngkon had collapsed while playing football. And I was not sure how serious the situation was, so I called up all the officials concerned and said that kindly update me on how he's feeling and hopefully he's getting better. Only to learn later on that the situation was quite critical. And that's when I informed all the cabinet colleagues and all the officials that we must rush immediately. And it's a great loss for the state, great loss for the people, especially of Khasi Hills, Jhansi Hills, because we had a person in the form of late Dr. Syngkon who had been working with full commitment and passion for the people of the region and the state as a whole. I express my deepest condolences to the family of late Dr. Syngkon. I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members as well as all His supporters, His party leaders, to bear the huge loss. And I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal peace.
So you use the
with the Deputy Chief Minister, Parliamentary Affairs. We will be having a meeting tomorrow with the BAC, headed by obviously the respected Speaker of the House, and the decision will be taken tomorrow. But I have communicated from my side to Honorable Deputy CM in charge Parliamentary Affairs that it would be appropriate for the government not to go ahead with the proceedings of the House tomorrow in respect of late Dr. Syngkon. And even though tomorrow is the day we were supposed to present the budget, it would make absolute sense and respect to the departed soul if we were to postpone even the presentation of the budget.
But nakaliang juga sorgar nang baju chief minister jongi ilapha ilaga jingsno balak mutu lasai kasgi ide ban ajon ya aninga house ko jongi lasai kini ya kata min sale lasai kasgi hakaba NEHU ya kaban don da abishwi reference kajing ai burom khadu ya uni noyalam jong kecela jongi yakni minsa bedip cipi lasai kasgi yakin tapi isi kasok Halor office jong speaker pada jong nang liang jong kasokan pada liang jong leaders Khubor ajalam adalah kalong kai kapan bangun kabalong pendik atau kata yang aja akan sang dua itu belum Syngkon di betul juga Shillong dengan seroba ia terpetalang benda kebit nadu chief minister jadi pat manipro di seroba MNE John Halor MDC sekitar Halor Shillong itu karindia terhubung dengan